What's up guys, and welcome back to Tech Plant. Today I have something exciting to reveal to you. I'm pretty sure I have a variegated Pilea Peperomioides. This is exciting, let's check it out. It has been a long time since I've produced any videos about the Pilea Peperomioides, and that's because I've been doing tons of experimentation. There were lots of questions and complaints on some of my previous videos about why their plants aren't making pups or producing more babies so they can propagate, so that's kind of been what I've been investigating. But somehow through some miracle, I think I've accidentally produced a Pilea variegated baby. Here's what a typical baby looks like. They're just kind of solid green. Sometimes the baby new leaves are a little red, but anyways, they're pretty uniform in color. But when I was looking at one of my experimentational pots, that's when I found this little baby who looked quite different. When looking closer, I can definitely see a difference in this leaf. They definitely have some sort of pattern to it, and it looks like a lack of chlorophyll in certain sections, so this would lead me to believe that this is potentially variegated. This is super exciting because I can't find anything about this on the internet. There's only one Reddit post where an already mature plant produced a few variegated leaves, but this is the first I'm seeing of a baby growing from the start with variegated leaves. I did ask around a few other plant people and see what they thought about it. Some people said it could be a deficiency or possibly the mosaic virus, but I don't have that in any of my plants. And there's other babies in this pot without any deficiency signs like this one. I think it's safe to say that this one is variegated, and I hit the freaking jackpot, which I'm super excited about. And I just have to let this thing grow out and see if it stays stable and if I can get this thing to produce additional variegated pups. This would be incredible, and it could be a new plant that I could introduce to the hobby, and I'm so excited about this. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed that short and quick announcement. Hopefully this thing grows up and grows true to the variegation. It would be amazing because I cannot find anything on the internet about these. This could be a first, and it would be really awesome if I could get this thing to grow and make more babies like it. So stay tuned, and I'll keep updating you on the progress on this little baby. Let's hope it makes it all the way to adulthood and it stays variegated. As always guys, may your plants grow strong and healthy. I'll see you next time.